Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Charlene and welcome. And today I'm going to be doing my eyes first, but I'm going, and I did shave half my eyebrows off, I know. It's lockdown, you know, you do stupid things, no one's going to see it. But I'm going to be doing a look with the James Charles palette. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I feel like I want to do a pinky bluey look, but I'm not quite sure. First of all, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the PLousie Base. If you guys don't know, I love this base so much. It's just really pretty. It's just really pretty. I always say that. I still need to get a mirror. I've got a mirror at the side of me, but that's kind of more like far away. I need one, like a magnifying one, you know, that's up. So I'm going to bring you closer. I'm going to be doing one eye off camera and one eye on camera. It's because I feel like that is the most better for me. And I don't want to come on camera with one eye done and be like, this is the look that I'm going to create. I want you to see how I'm going to create the look, like all my struggles. So I love the PLousie Base. I do love it. It's just a really good base. I did wash all my makeup brushes as well, and I'm freshly fake tanned. I am really happy. I'm just like, yes please. I don't know what it is. When I have fake tan, I'm much more confident. I'm a much more confident person. I feel like fake tan is the key for me, but I just love it so much. I don't know. I'm just like, yes please, give me that fake tan. Like, I don't know what. When I'm not fake tan and pale, I'm very like myself. I'm very like, I'm always myself, but I'm very like shy and everything, and I don't really like talking a lot, and I don't, like, I'd still talk to my husband, but I was just be on my phone a lot and on my games and everything. And then when the tan comes out, I'm not normally outside, and then when the tan comes out, I get a boost of confidence. Like, I feel sexy, I feel cute. So tan actually makes you look thinner as well, so I'm like, yes please, and I get really confident and I come out of my shell a bit more, just because I feel like I'm sexy with my tan on. I know that I don't really think of myself as sexy, but when I'm tan, I'm like, boom, sexiness tan, yes please. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, so I'm gonna wing this, okay? I'm going to wing it so much. Okay, let's get my eye brushes to the ready. I'm going to be using all sorts of eye brushes. I'm going to be using Morphe, Beuaty, or Huda techniques. So I'm going to grab a brush, a dome brush, like this first of all, and I'm going to put Skip in the inner corner, just to put that in the inner corner. I'm just going to put Skip in the inner corner. Probably about halfway. And I want this blended out as well, so it becomes a little bit smoky. James Charles mini palette I'm using. Just use any James Charles palette, mini or big. It's up to you. I'm still doing a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers. One of you will be getting this palette, which I've already got down below, so it's in a safe place, so I know where it is. I did use the JH33, so now I'm going to use the JH31. It's a bit domed and it's a bit circular, so that can blend out nicely. Hopefully. I'm going to go in with, what did I say I was going to go in with? Playground, a light blue, to connect with the pink. Whoa, wing effect. It looks nice. It does look really nice. I want to darken it up just a tad. I'm going to go in with an extra beauty brush. This is just a small blender brush. I'm going with a little bit of, I don't want just to darken it up. I'm going to go a little bit in with Escape. And then I'm going to take that off and go in with the shade Cola, which is a dark blue, and pop that on the outer. Okay, that is really pretty. I actually love that. I'm just going to clean off the brush and just with the excess, that's nothing on there, I'm just going to blend it out. I actually like that. That actually looks really cool. I actually like that. That looks really cool. I will cut the crease. I won't cut the crease with the PLousie Base because I know how that goes. So I'm going to cut the crease. Do I need anything little? I think I need to put a little bit more pink in the inner corner. Should I just do a full cut crease or just a halo? Just do the thing. Right, this is going to be fun. This is not going to be fun, but it's going to be fun. I'm going to put pink in there and a blue in there. So, okay, I'm just cutting the crease now because if I fill it around it a lot, it's just not going to be a thing. So I'm going to use my Too Faced one from my concealer. Use Scotland's concealer from Too Faced. I'm going to be taking this brush. This brush is from Primark. It is just a brush like this. It's very flat, but it's so good to do a cut crease. So what do I want to do? How do I want to do this cut crease? I'm going to start, probably put it in the middle. I do need to put some thing there just to put that there. So what I'm going to do is going to end up getting a pencil brush and getting the light blue and going on the outside of the cut crease. Oh my god, this is like, what the hell are you doing? And I'm going to get the brush that thingy and blend that. For me, I don't know how. I'm going to use the pink and go the other side with it. A bit like Harley Quinn, innit? Blue and pink. I'm going to take the white shade. I think it's called Flashlight. Is it called Flashlight? You are my flash. Ring light. It's called ring light, not flashlight. I'm going to put that in the middle. So I'm going to... Oh, that's a look, isn't it? I'm going to go with the pencil brush yet again. No product on that, and just kind of... Okay. I'm going to go in the big brush just to blend out everything. Okay, so that is one eye done. I actually do like it. It's just very different for me. I love that there's a pop of colour in the middle and it's kind of cut, and then you've got the things on there, so it's like a blue. So what I'm going to do is go off camera, do the other eye, and then going to come back and do the rest of my face. When I come back, I have my other eye done, lashes on, and then I have my foundation and concealer and whatever we can do with the contour and everything. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Hi guys, I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this bit as my best friend called me. So as you can see, my eyes are done, my lashes, my foundation and my concealer, and my cream contour is now done, which I'm really happy about. I loved how the eye look came out, and I have done the under eye as well. And basically I've just put like pink underneath pink, blue underneath blue, you know, and did that. Now I'm going in with the Revolution X Rachel Leary palette and using the shade called Caramel Slice, and basically bronzing with that. I'm going to put it where I bronze normally, and I'm going to put it on my forehead as well. I do love this. It is a really warm bronzer, but I actually do love it, and it goes on really well. It blends out beautifully as well. Now I'm going in with that same palette and using Golden Hour, this bronze shimmery colour, which it just looks lovely on the skin. Gives you that little bit of a glow, but not being too dramatic. But make sure you use a little bit at a time, and that is it. But it does give you a good glow and a nice bronze. Now I'm going in with the other Revolution Rachel Leary palette and using the shade called Rose, I believe it's called, or Rose, and putting it on my cheeks. I love this colour. It's just like a nice pinky, corally kind of peachy colour. I love it. It's just perfect. And yes, I know I love my blush. Now I'm going in with a Huda bronzer by Benefit and doing that as my nose contour because I do absolutely love it as my nose contour, and then I will actually blend it out with a sponge so it just looks nice and seamless and there's no harsh line. Now it is time for highlighter. I'm taking the Revolution X Soph and basically using that gold champagne to put on my cheekbones. I love this palette so much. It's drugstore, it's affordable, it's just really nice, and I love how the glow you get from it. It's just perfect. Now I'm just going in with the setting spray and setting my makeup in place, and then going to be fanning my face because I believe a good setting spray is in order to make your makeup last. Now time for lips. I'm using XO Beauty lip liner in Marie. Love XO Beauty lip liners. They're so nice and soft and they do blend really well. And then I'm going in with the lipstick and it's going to be MAC Honey Laugh. I believe that's the colour I did use for this look. Now on this day I wanted my eyes to really pop, so I put a white eyeliner on my waterline. If you want your eyes to really pop and make sure they're really bright and awake, just pop a white eyeliner on your waterline and it will just make your eyes look beautiful. And this is the finished look. I do hope you like this video. If you do like it, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.